Man, yo, Montauk looking nice, man. Just how, you know what I mean, we left it the last time, man. Y'all look. Ocean looking real rough. Hope nobody ain't swimming in it. So, about to get some food real quick. Hopefully I show y'all around the whole Montauk, man. You know, this is my second hood, so I know, like, you know, everywhere around here. You know what I mean? Let me stop. But the few places I do know, you know what I mean, I'm gonna definitely put y'all on to. And yeah, wind blowing crazy, weather feel nice. Let's see where we're going next. So over here, one of my favorite spots, it's called Bounce. I don't know if you ever been to Bounce in New York, but Bounce is right over here. This Bounce Montauk though. Now, the thing about Bounce is in New York, in the city, it's hard to get in, you know what I mean? Out here it's a little more easy, but over here is like where all the hotels is. So most of the hotels you'll see, this hotel right here I like a lot. That's Montauk Blue. Most of these is hotels on the water. The ocean is over here, and then the town is coming up. See out here, I just walk in the middle of the street. They don't hit you with nothing. Another spot called Montauk Beach House. It's fire too. Definitely gonna hit there before I roll. And that's down this little block right here. If you notice, it ain't no lights. People just stop for you. Ain't no lights, and you know, it's real beach townish. And it's crazy because for it to be in New York, you wouldn't expect like New York to have somewhere like this. And you know, this is like the furthest Hampton, so it's mad different Hamptons. They all got different identities. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the town. Get y'all some Montauk hoodies, all that. And this how the town look over here. Man, it's getting dark kind of late. I don't know. I don't remember last time we was here. I don't remember it getting dark like around 7 o'clock. But yeah, man, just passed by the little grocery stores. I see all these little flies or something. I don't know what the hell that is. As you can see, John's died. It's a spot you definitely gotta hit. They got the homemade ice creams over there. Yeah, tried that the last time. Probably gonna try it again this time, but you know, got burgers, all that. You know what I mean? Just literally just came. Had to pick up some little groceries and all that. See, this is what I love about out here though. Everybody always got their little bonfires going. You know what I mean? Like, I definitely gotta crash one of their parties in a second. I'll go inside, chill, crash their party. But yeah, man, them bonfires look crazy though. I wonder how they do it too. I might try to figure. I hope I don't burn down the whole beach, but we'll figure it out. So this is somewhere I've never been to, even though I've been to Montauk before. Somebody got to also break down to me what lighthouse. Well, I guess it's a museum, so they're gonna break it down to me. But I know this is like a big deal. We see on this side, this is what the lighthouse looking like. This is the beginning of it, as you can see. So you're supposed to follow the footsteps on the floor. Say, look, if y'all ever come here, man, it was some dope photo ops in the back. You know what I mean? So y'all definitely got to go by where the water at. Y'all can take some dope photos over there. Most of the people usually take photos with this in the back, the tower. So I guess they usually take the photos over here, but I gotta hit the back. So pulled up to Duryea, yo, heard some really good things about here. Heard they got like some of the best fries in the Hamptons. But as y'all can see, man, they look amazing. But you know, I'm gonna give me some lobster. I ain't no lobster since I've been here, you know. It's my thing, man. The lobster, man. But yeah, I'm gonna also check out the fries, which I haven't been eating fries like that, but definitely gonna check it out, see what it tastes like. And show you how it looks. This place looks really nice. The view is crazy. Let me show y'all. First, let me show y'all this real quick. The menu. Y'all see what's there. The end. Yeah, dope scenery, dope scenery. I need to see what I'm gonna eat. I don't even know yet. I wanted to get like a Caesar salad or like a lobster taco, but they don't have either one. So I might just go with a lobster roll or the Duryea's Cobb. See, that joint is 88. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the joint came out quick, but it does look crazy. Let me show you how this joint look real quick. Yeah, gonna let y'all know what it tastes like, see if it is the best fries in the Hamptons too. Let me check it out. So yeah, nah, that joint was fire and destroyed that. But about to go back to the hotel now, trying to figure out what we're gonna do later. About to go check out this farmer's market next door. I definitely gotta check this out though. The lobster roll, I usually don't even like lobster roll, but it was on point. All right, right next door to Duryea's is a farmer's market. Definitely gotta check it out. Look real dope. 11954. So me, I grabbed some of these cookies over here. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes in a sec once I get to the hotel. But yeah, it's right next to Duryea, so I definitely gotta check it out also. Yeah, man. See y'all in a sec. Probably about to hit Surf Lodge real quick or Montauk Beach House. I seen Montauk Beach House got an event tomorrow, and the lady, I think her name's Cynthia Riley, she's doing something there. So I might go there tomorrow instead. definitely want to show y'all both of them, and I definitely want to show y'all the Navy Yard. Water looking a little better. Now it's looking like, you know, the waves ain't as crazy as it was earlier. But yeah, you know, I definitely want to hit Shelter Island too, man, or just Greenport, you know, but that's way on the other side and it's mad complicated getting there. But I'm gonna show y'all how it is inside where we going. See y'all then. I just pulled up the Surf Lodge real quick, as y'all can see. Let's see what it look like in here. So it's closed. It's a private event, a wedding. Let me see if I can show y'all some of this. So another wedding. It seems like everybody getting married. Yeah. So another wedding right now. So it's actually closed. So gotta check out somewhere else. As you can see, wedding going on. So gotta check somewhere else. I end up walking all in this dusty little road. But yeah, let's see what Navy Beach or Navy Yard, whatever it's called, talking about. All right, man. So now at this Montauk Beach House, and you can see this is adobo chicken sandwich. Left Gurney's. Gurney's was it was cool, more of a resort thing, more of like probably somewhere I would want to stay, not really just eat up there. But it's about to be an event. Here, got everything. Live music about to start happening in a minute. End up getting this strawberry margarita. Last time I came, I got a frozen one. They don't got that one no more. That one was fire. This one is kind of strong, but about to eat this real quick. See what you say. All right, man. Just want to grab me a little Montauk hat real quick. I want to check out all these other spots. None of them was like has to fit, but this one right here was like dope. So y'all definitely check this out. This over here by Goldberg, they got like hats that fit, actually damn near like fitteds, you know. But yeah, now I got me my little surf Montauk hat. Now, you know, I'm ready to start the day. This area is like really nice. Got like a few little dope food spots. And it's actually like in the cut a little bit too, so it's not over there by it's in the town, but it's not like on that little main town road, so it's kind of like a little back street. But over here looked like it was lit yesterday too, this little spot. I need to figure out what they cook Joni. And if y'all watch The Affair, y'all know that's you know, that's what's called against daughter's name. So yeah, I don't know if that's named after her, but yeah. So about to check out Kadu driving. Yeah, about to check out how this bagel, egg and cheese tastes. See y'all in a sec. So world famous Goldbergs. Let's see what they talking about. Yeah, this joint look like a New York regular little joint from the deli, but we gonna see. You know what I mean? We gonna see if this joint is killing like that. Scenery looking good. Let's see what they talking about. All right, I just finished eating my bagel with sausage, egg, and cheese, and yo, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. I had like the everything bagel, and I think that's my first time ever having that too. So I got to try everything bagel when I get back to the city to see. But it was pretty good. The garlic was kind of strong in it, but it was seasoned. It was really seasoned, and It was cool, definitely. I don't know if it's the top bagel spot in the world, but definitely better than the majority of the bagels I ever ate. So yeah, and this is a chain too out here. I think they got one in Jersey too, but I know it's mostly through the Hamptons. All right, today's Sunday, man, last day. They got the game showing, cool little scenery. Yeah, so about to eat some wings real quick, get a drink, hopefully catch these Spurs games, and I'll see y'all in a sec.